Here's the big news. By September, we're expecting a unified set of crypto regulations across the US. This is a game changer because until now, the rules have been all over the place, making compliance tricky. What this means is, Bitcoin and every other cryptocurrency will fall under one clear framework. The goal? To bring clarity and boost security in the market. Basically, this should make it easier for everyone to understand the rules and operate with confidence. It's a major step toward a more stable crypto environment. Building on that, the new regulatory framework focuses on some crucial components. One is the clear classification of digital assets, which determines how they're treated legally. Another important aspect is the requirement for crypto exchanges to obtain licenses to operate legally, which adds a layer of accountability. Plus, tax reporting mandates are being introduced to boost transparency and ensure compliance. Together, these elements form a more structured and reliable foundation for the crypto ecosystem. Now, let's consider what this means for Pi Network specifically. The transition will involve stricter compliance for exchange listings, which could affect Pi's market access. Also, forming institutional partnerships will require clear legal frameworks to facilitate collaboration. What's really important here is that developer monetization and user protection depend heavily on regulatory clarity. So, navigating these changes carefully will be essential for Pi Network's growth and utility moving forward. Looking ahead, there are several potential regulatory scenarios that could impact Pi Network. A favorable commodity classification would make market access easier, which is a positive sign. However, challenges around security designation could complicate investment rules. Additionally, rules around stablecoins, developer compliance, and user KYC and tax requirements will play a significant role. These factors together shape the regulatory landscape Pi Network must adapt to in order to thrive. Pi Network is preparing strategically for these challenges with a focus on global considerations. Implementing KYC procedures will enhance user trust and help meet regulatory demands. Forming partnerships with custodians is another key step to secure assets on a global scale. Plus, by monitoring global regulatory trends, Pi Network aims to ensure interoperability and strong governance. These preparations are crucial for maintaining resilience and compliance in a rapidly evolving environment. To wrap up, navigating U.S. regulations presents both challenges and opportunities for Pi Network. Regulations bring much-needed clarity and open doors for innovation, but legal complexities and maintaining decentralization remain hurdles. The key takeaway is that proactive compliance and transparency will be essential for sustainable growth. By embracing these principles, Pi Network can position itself for long-term success in this dynamic regulatory landscape.